अरे माझा सुन रहा हूँ this business. So here we should know that yes basically, and here basically for this basically God concept basically used, and in India basically Shiv Bhagwan God is there. He is at the top basically, and Vishnu God is there basically. So these all are the gods basically, and their creation. So concept is clear basically. Whatever things are created to do legally basically, the God concept is used basically. And that thing basically we have already discussed basically. But here the thing is basically how the things are mapped here basically. 13 meter basically for each body parts of Sunil. Here basically I have taken the example of myself basically. 13 meter basically body parts are used basically for Sunil Arnair body basically. Each and body parts basically are connected with these 13 cities which are basically located in many countries basically. So to track basically this, it's impossible. But the people who know this, they can easily track this. That is satellite group and the nuclear power company and the human souls department basically. That is the each and every human souls basically is created in this world by some companies, and that is maintained by the companies basically. That is maintained by certain companies basically. So here one person told that basically, like this basically things are connected basically. So next you see